a raised to power 8 minus a squared divided by a raised to power 4 minus a squared is equal to 9. We want to find the value of a from this given equation. A raised to power 8 minus a squared divided by a raised to power 4 minus a squared is equal to 9. We have the given equation. A raised to power 8 minus a squared divided by a raised to power 4 minus a squared is equal to 9. Then from here we can factor a squared out. Then we have a squared into a raised to power 6 minus 1 divided by, then the denominator is a squared into a squared minus 1 is equal to 9. Now this a squared will cancel a squared. We have a raised to power 6 minus 1 divided by a squared minus 1 is equal to 9. Now remember, if you have a raised to power n raised to power m is same thing as a raised to power n m, then let's express this. We have a squared raised to power 3 minus 1 divided by a squared minus 1 is equal to 9. Now this is a squared raised to power 3. This is the same thing as 1 raised to power 3. We have a squared raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 divided by a squared minus 1 is equal to 9. Now remember this expression that if you have s cubed minus y cubed is same thing as s minus y multiplied by s squared plus sy plus y squared, where x is equal to what? A squared, and y is 1. Then we have a cube minus 1 cube will be equal to what? A squared minus 1 multiplied by a square plus a square multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. Then divided by a square minus 1, everything equal to 9. Now let's write here. We have a square minus 1 into a square plus a square times 1, a square plus 1 square, that is 1, divided by a square minus 1 is equal to 9. Then here is a square minus 1 and here is a square minus 1. This one will cancel this. We have a square plus a square plus 1 is equal to 9. Then let's equate everything to 0. We have a square plus a square plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. Because if this plus 9 cross equal sign, it becomes minus, then we have a square plus a square, 1 minus 9 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, let a square is equal to t. Then we have t square plus t minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and this can be solved by using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 8. Then we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then remember, t is equal to, we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1, then minus 4 times 1 times minus 8, that is plus 32 divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we have t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 32, that is 33, divided by 2. Then t is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2, or t is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 33 then divided by 2, and this is less than 0. We reject this. No real root, because there's no real root here. Then we only accept this, so which is t is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. Now remember that we said a square is equal to t, and our t is minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. Then we have a square is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. Now let's take the square root of both sides. Then we have square root of a square is equal to square root of minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. Now, this one will cancel this. We have a is equal to square root of minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. That is our final answer.